Do you want to know how to update your titles, bullet points, attributes, everything else in bulk so you don't have to do it manually? Are you still stuck clicking edit listing, editing the title, then clicking save? Well, this video is going to save you a ton of time. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into the video. Okay, starting off in Sales Central, we're going to head over to our inventory reports. So hit the menu on the left-hand side, reports, inventory reports. And then what we're going to request is the category listings report. Now, if you don't see it, you do have to enable it, which is also quite simple. I'm going to leave a video in the description below of how you can quickly enable this. Once you do, just come back to this part and follow along. Okay, so we're going to select category listings report. We're not going to fill in a date, and then you're going to click request report. I've already done this below, so I'm going to go ahead and open that Excel file and then go through from there. Okay, so this is what it will kind of look like when you first open it. You'll be on the instructions page. We're going to head over to the template page, which you can see just behind my webcam. It says template at the bottom, the sheet. And this is what you're going to see. Might look intimidating, but it's not too bad. I'm going to walk you through it. So what you're seeing here is basically your product information, every single little bit of it, from SKU, ASIN to all the attributes like our batteries included. So in here, we can alter anything and then change the operation type to partial update, which you see here, and it will update for us. So before we do that, there's a few things you can do to clean this up. First, if you've opened this in Excel, you want to click this little 2 symbol over here. And what this does is it expands all the plus symbols because a lot of the columns are hidden. So click 2 and it'll open up all the columns. Next, select the rows between 2 and 4 and then double click it. Now, all I'm doing is unhiding another row. You can check your settings above to unhide this column as well. Sorry, this row. It's just another hidden row with more information. But regardless, if you only see row 2 and you're not sure how to unhide it, just select row 2. And then we're going to select filter. Up here, filter. And then I want you to scroll across to the blue area. Well, it's not really blue, like an aqua that says variation. And under parentage level, in the drop down, unselect all, and then select parent. And then you can simply go ahead and delete these rows right off the bat. You don't have to do this. All we're doing here is removing the parentage ASINs that pretty much are just placeholders and they don't exist. Once you do that, you can select that row again, and then we can just remove the filter now. But regardless, you can see all your information. So let's say we wanted to update the SKU here, which is 2C, etc., etc. We're going to head over to where it says, let me open this up a little bit so you can see where it says product name or item name, which is column K. And this is the name of the product here. Insaya, Corinthians, wall art, etc., etc. So all you need to do is edit this title. You can delete all other rows that you're not updating. And what you want to do is for the column E, which is the update delete, is select partial update. Partial update is very important. If you select update, it's going to update everything. Even if the cells are blank, it will force those updates through, so it can remove a lot of information. Partial update is pretty much just forcing back all the cells that we see here. So it's all the existing information and then all the updated information that we see. So select partial update. Once again, you can update the item name, product description. You can scroll across, you can update the bullet points. And yeah. And then what you can do is we'll save this file. I'm not going to rename it. You can rename it if you want. Head back to our seller account. In the menu on the left-hand side, under catalog, select add products via upload. Once that loads, all you're going to do, they've changed the layout of this page, but it's essentially the same. On spreadsheet, click upload file and select that that one we just created, which is right here. That will upload, and then you can click submit products. Now you might see like a few errors just because some of the cells are blank and things like that, but majority of the time it forces them through, even through the errors, unless you have any other errors specific to that ASIN or SKU. But let it submit. If you see any errors, don't worry. Then what you can do to just confirm it's been pushed through is go to your manage all inventory and type in that ASIN or SKU. Hit the drop down menu on the right hand side, edit listing. And then you'll see that the product name has actually changed to what you want it on the product details page in here. And then for it to actually reflect on the front end of Amazon, so on the detail page, what customers see, the gray writing here, that can usually take from 1 hour to 24 hours. So just give it some time to update. But yeah, this is one of the easiest ways to bulk update all your listings, and it's going to save you a ton of time. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Thank you for watching.